So this is my mouse and something visitors. And this is my good thing for the katana. Next is second is a bedrock hinge, loom, and this guy from Puppy Playtime. Yeah. This, I don't know why I made this. Lastly, this original blade.